Indulge your taste buds in a fiery dance with Chao Shou and red chili sauce, a Sichuan culinary marvel that elevates wontons to a whole new level. This isn't your typical wonton in a light broth, it's a flavor-packed experience that leaves an unforgettable impression. Picture this: delicate wontons, perfectly boiled to tender perfection, ready to be adorned with a symphony of flavors. As the Chao Shou emerges from its hot bath, a ritual unfolds. The secret lies in the artful pouring of a rich concoction: soup, soy sauce, vinegar, salt, ground pepper, mashed garlic, and the pièce de résistance, chili oil. And voila! You have before you the masterful creation, Chao Shou and red chili sauce. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds and discover why Chao Shou and red chili sauce is a revered dish in the heart of Chengdu. It's a journey worth savoring, a tale told through every spice-infused fold of these delectable wontons. One of the secrets to making these awesome wontons comes with the filling. We start off with some pork mince and then add the flavorings: spring onions, finely grated ginger, a good pinch of white pepper, 1/4 cup of chicken stock, little bit of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of grated carrot, 1 egg and salt, and mix vigorously. Tremendous! It's now time to fold our wonton dumplings. Add a little mixture to the corner of the wonton wrapper. Fold that over and just keep rolling till you almost reach the end, and then press in the sides. Put a little water on the edge and bring them together. Place them on a tray with a little cornstarch on it to prevent the wontons from sticking. You can, of course, freeze these for later. Here's another way to fold the wontons. Both ways look stunning. Now for the sauce. We are going to use a homemade chili oil. It's infused with star anise, Sichuan peppercorns and cinnamon. All these add something special to the sauce. Make sure you get some of that chili powder with the chili oil. Add some soy sauce, some vinegar, and then the tiniest hint of garlic. Peel the garlic clove and shave just a few little gratings. Add finely chopped spring onion. Finely slice the stems and leaves of some fresh coriander. Yum! This sauce looks and smells amazing. It's now time to drop some wontons into boiling water. Give them 4 to 5 minutes until they are cooked through. Remove the wontons and strain them off. Place them straight into a bowl. Add a couple of tablespoons of the wonton broth to the sauce we made. Generously lace the wontons with the sauce. Finally, a little sprinkle of sesame seeds, and that, my friends, is the perfect wonton dish. If that's not heaven, I don't know what is. The flavor journey is nothing short of spectacular. It's a dance of spice, a medley of sensations that titillate the palate. The burnt aroma, the robust essence of dregs of fat, and the garlicky embrace, all harmonize to create a symphony of taste. Adjusting the intensity is an art form in itself. Desire a bolder kick? Amp up the sauce. Craving a milder touch? Let the soup take center stage. The power is in your hands to customize this Chengdu classic to your taste preferences. To embark on this culinary adventure, I highly recommend seeking out specialized snack bars in Chengdu. These hidden gems are a gastronomic haven, transporting you to a world where each bite is a celebration of tradition and innovation.